Sermon number 154. Ahlul Bayt, and their opposers. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful. He who has an intelligent mind looks to his goal. He knows his low road as well as his high road. The caller has called. The shepherd has tended his flocks. So respond to the caller and follow the shepherd. They, the opposers, have entered the oceans of disturbance and have taken to innovations instead of the Sunnah, the Prophet's holy deeds, utterances and his unspoken approvals, while the believers have sunk down, and the misguided and the liars are speaking. We are the near ones, companions, treasure holders and doors, to the Sunnah. Houses are not entered save through their doors. Whoever enters them from other than the door is called a thief. The delicacies of the Quran are about them, Ahlul Bayt, the descendants of the Prophet, and they are the treasurers of Allah. When they speak the truth, but when they keep quiet no one can speak unless they speak. The forerunner should report correctly to his people, should retain his wits, and should be one of the children, a man, of the next world, because he has come from there and would return to it. The beginning of the action of one who sees with heart and acts with eyes, it is to assess whether the action will go against him or for him. If it is for him he indulges in it. But if it is against him he keeps away from it. For, he who acts without knowledge is like one who treads without a path. Then his deviation from the path keeps him at a distance from his aim. And he who acts according to knowledge is like he who treads the clear path. Therefore, he who can see should see whether he should proceed or return. You should also know that the outside, of everything, has a similar inside. Of whatever the outside is good, its inside too is good, and whatever the outside is bad, its inside too is bad. The truthful Prophet, peace and blessing of Allah be upon him and his progeny, has said that, Allah may love a man but hate his action, and may love the action but hate the man. You should also know that every action is like a vegetation, and a vegetation cannot do without water while waters are different. So where the water is good the plant is good and its fruits are sweet, whereas where the water is bad, the plant will also be bad and its fruits will be bitter.